Rejecting Modi government's charge of judicial overreach, Chief Justice of India T.S. Thakur has said judiciary intervenes only when the executive fails in its constitutional duties. We talked to constitutional expert Subhash Kashyap to understand things better. Amidst a tug-of-war between the executive and the judiciary, the CJI has said if there is neglect and failure on part of government agencies, judiciary will definitely play its role. Speaking in Rajya Sabha during a debate of a bill recently, Jaitley claimed that the judiciary had been encroaching on legislative and executive authority.
What will happen if judiciary fails? If judiciary does not act, if there are more than 3 crores of cases pending with the judiciary, can the legislature intervene? Can the executive intervene and decide cases? The point is that any individual and any institution can go wrong. No human institution is above failure and above wrongdoing. Anybody can commit mistakes. But each one has to stay within its own jurisdictional limits. I think if the government yields, it would be a sign of the weakness of the government. The government must show spine and assert itself, because the constitution is very clear that the judges are to be appointed by the president after consultation with the judiciary. And the Supreme Court judgment in the NJAC case, I have said it earlier, was and remains unconstitutional. If the executive does not obey the judiciary because the judiciary does something which is palpably unconstitutional, then what will be the position? It will be an anarchic situation. Rule of law will fail. Therefore, it is necessary that the judiciary also remains within its jurisdictional limits. If democracy has to continue, if rule of law has to prevail, if judicial independence has to continue, then judiciary must remain within its limits. Instead of writing 1200-page judgment, if they write short judgments, they can dispose of more cases. Summer vacations. The Britishers used to go to England during the summer, so they needed a summer vacation. Now, with all the air conditioning and all the other facilities available, there is no justification for summer vacations. Adjournments. Large number of adjournments are given. Why should there be adjournments? Then delays. Some cases take tens of years, 20 years, 30 years, the case is going on. There must be some limit. So, these are some reforms and these reforms should preferably come from within. The judiciary itself should think about it, instead of all the time asking for the ratio between the population and the judges.